It's morning, everyone. Today's the day. The sun is shining, the tank is clean, and we are getting out of... The tank is clean. The tank is clean!
But how?
Boss must have installed it last night while we were sleeping.
What are we gonna do?
What's it say, Peach? I can't hear you, Peach.
The Aquascum 2003 is an all-purpose, self-cleaning, maintenance-free saltwater purifier that is guaranteed to even extend the life of your aquarium fish.
Stop it!
The Aquascum is programmed to scan your tank environment every 5 minutes.
Scan? What does that mean?
Temperature 82 degrees, pH balance normal.
Ooh, nice.
Curse you, Aquascum!
That's it for the escape plan. It's ruined.
Then what are we gonna do about...
Stay down, kid.
False alarm.
My nerves can't take much more of this.
What are we gonna do when that little brat gets here?
I'm thinking.
Nemo!
Hold on, I'm coming.
Swim down! Come on, kid!
Swing down, come on.
Everybody jump in.
Down!
That's it. What the?
Good work! Nemo!
Shark bait!
Kid, come on, lean, just lean, kid!
What's your window?
Whoops. Now, that would have been a nasty fall. Just
go belly
calm
up.
down,
Don't
Nemo.
let me go
You
belly
won't go
up.
belly up. I promise. You're gonna be okay.
All right, do any of these boats look familiar to you?
No, but the boat has to be here somewhere. Come on, Dory. We're gonna find it.
Oh, I'm totally excited. Are you excited?
Dory, wake up. Come on.
Duck!
That's not a duck. It's a pelican. Ah! No! I didn't come this far to eat breakfast!
Hey, Nigel. Will you look at that?
What?
Sun's barely up and already Gerald's had more than he can handle.
Yeah, reckon somebody ought to help the poor guy.
Yeah, right.
Oh, well, don't everybody fly off at once. All right, Gerald, what is it? Fish got your tongue?
Love a duck!
I gotta find my son, Nemo!
Nemo? Hey, he's that fish. You know the one we've been talking about, the one that's been fighting the whole ocean. Hey, I know where your son is. Huh? Hey, wait! Come back! Stop!
Dory, keep going! He's crazy!
I got something to tell you!
Mine.
Okay, don't make any sudden moves. Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
Hop in your mouth, huh? And how does that make me live?
Mine?
Because I can take you to your son.
Yeah, right.
No, I know your son. He's orange. He's got a gimpy fin on one side.
That's Nemo!